Presenting the Panasonic Lumix G7 mirrorless camera in black color. It comes with a 16 megapixel micro four thirds sensor with no low-pass filter to capture sharp images with a high dynamic range. The superior noise reduction system enables you to capture crisp images even in low light conditions up to ISO 25600. With the Panasonic depth from defocus DFD and autofocus AF technology, the camera lets you capture fast-moving objects with clarity. The camera records videos at 4K resolution for crisp and sharp details. Using the 4K photo function, you can also extract individual frames from a video sequence filmed at 30 frames per second to capture moments that occur at a split second. Panasonic Lumix G7 features easy control aperture and shutter settings with the front and rear dials. It also features a high-resolution OLED live viewfinder and rear touch-enabled 3-inch swivel LCD display to give you clear visibility even in bright sunlight. The camera comes with a 14 to 42 mm lens included in the box.